Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussizz Group. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach, and I'm so happy that today I have with me Sanja. Now Sanja is from Macedonia, is one of my favorite students, has always been. She took the recently the PTE Academic test and got a score of perfect 90. She got 90 in speaking, 90 in listening, 85 in reading and 82 in writing, and that's how she got the overall score of 90. So Sanja, if you could just give a brief introduction about yourself to our friends, please.
Hi guys, my name is Sanja, I come from Macedonia. I've been in Australia for the past 5 years and been struggling to get a perfect score of 90 even though my English is perfect.
That's right.
So I came for help at Aussizz Group and they are the best people ever. I could strictly recommend it to everyone. Without them I wouldn't be able to make it.
Thank you so much, Sanja,
You're
for a very
welcome.
positive start.
Thank
and
you.
Sanja, since you've taken the test a couple of times, like this time you got 90. So can you share with the viewers like how was the test experience and what is the main thing to get a full score at the test?
Well, the main thing is to be confident first of all.
True.
Also, it has to do a lot with the coaching and people that are gonna teach you how to manage your time, what's the concept of the test and how to it's simply just build up your confidence, go in, do it, and I'm sure you'll be alright, like you'll smash it.
Alright. And at which center did you have your test? How's the experience?
I had it at RMIT. I've had it at different centers before, but I really liked RMIT, La Trobe. Clifton's not bad. All of the like everything's got pros and cons, but
Right.
I took my last test. I took it at RMIT, and it was really good.
Agreed. And since you took coaching with us, like how was the coaching experience? You came for just 1 week with us and you got
Yeah,
the score.
well, the thing is that like I needed that support. You guys helped me how to manage my time, the concept of the test. It's like you give us confidence, practice, a lot of practice.
Right.
You're always there for me. First thing in the morning, I get up and I see a message from him. Do this on your test. Do this on your test. You can do it. You'll be okay. I started losing confidence in myself because I already didn't get the 90 score, the score that I was aiming for. I didn't get it like twice and then on the third time, I can just simply say that without you guys, I wasn't going to be able to do it.
Thank you so much, Sanja.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
And Sanja, since you use our product PTEtutorials.com, so how did it help you for the test?
Well, it gives you an idea of the concept, it gives you an idea of the time, so it helps you to manage your time wisely and to use it wisely. So there's a full-on structured test, exactly the same like the PD, obviously with different questions, but it gives you an idea of what the test is and how to manage your time, which section that you need to practice. You can also get feedback for that test, so you know where you're lacking confidence and what section do you need to practice at. So.
That's absolutely right. Couldn't have agreed more with you. And finally, Sanja, since you made us very proud by getting 90 in your this attempt, we have a small token of appreciation for you.
Thank you.
So many congratulations. You really deserve it. We really wish you the best that you get your PR really soon now.
Hopefully.
Alright, so friends, what are we waiting for? If Sanja can get it, so can you. 90 is just a number, it's nothing difficult, believe us. It's really easy to get it if you understand the techniques, if you understand the scoring, and if you have the right kind of guidance in the test. Because as she said, and even I agree with her, she's excellent with her English. There's absolutely no problem with the English. The only thing is maybe a bit tweaking here and there. Was what she needed. So thank you so much, Sanja, once again.
Thank you.
And thank you for viewing the video, friends. Hope you had a good time. Thank you.
Thank you.